Welcome to the W Collections. We open boxes every week in hopes to collect the best WNBA cards out there. If you are a WNBA fan or a card collector or both, hit that subscribe button and let's see what we get each week on the WC. This is our Throwback Thursday series. We have our 2023 WNBA Prizm. What I like in here is the green parallel. I've been wanting a Dijonais in the green. Let's see what happens. 2023 Aaliyah Boston rookie card. Let's see. 5 packs, 4 cards per pack. Here you go. So I do have some special Throwback Thursdays coming. Last time we did the hobby box, the 2022 hobby box. Fantastic. So you should check that one out. Kalia Copper, Li Meng, rookie card. Oh shit. I already showed it. I didn't know. I forgot about autographs in the 2023 box. I wasn't even thinking about that. So it looks like we got a Jordan Canada. Oh. Sparks. Autograph. Is Jordan Canada still on the Sparks? No. I don't think so. But I don't know why I like this design. I like the green first of all, and I just like the bold lines of the 2023 Prizm. 2024 Prizm, you want to check out those videos. The design is totally different. Alright, behind that we got Nneka Ogwumike in the green. That's crazy. I was never expecting an autograph. Okay. There we go. Ruth Riley. Detroit Shock, Cheryl Ford. Alright, in the ice, we have a Sparks, Los Angeles Sparks, Lexi Brown. And then hall monitors. Yay! Lisa Leslie. Very cool. This is a Sparks box. For sure. We'll put this. See. Alright, next pack. I see another green back there. Alright, we got Chelsea Gray, Nia Coffee, Los Angeles Sparks, Chiney Ogwumike. I don't think she's in the Sparks either anymore. Alright, in the green, Dallas Wings, Arike Ogunbowale. In the green. Look at that. 2 greens. Pack number 4. Alicia Gray. Connecticut Sun, Tyasha Harris. In the ice, Portland Fire. That must be an old team. Jackie Styles. Atlanta Dream. Naz Hillman. And this is silver. Oh yeah. It's the Prizm boxes that are fun to open. And every pack has like 2 special cards. Except for this one. Okay. Shannon Johnson, Connecticut Sun, Leah Brown, and that is a rookie card. I wonder how she's doing now. Alright, in the ice, Chicago Sky, Emma Meeseman. And it's a Fearless, I think. Subert. Fearless Subert. The lady that's always at the games watching. I'm just kidding, that's what anyways, what do you guys think? 2023? Not bad for an oldie. I'm very happy about this one. Because I know I had like a Ruth Bolton one. A hall monitor, Ruth Bolton. And I was like, dude, if this was Lisa Leslie, that would have been dope. Look at that. Got it. And it's like in the black and white. I like it. And then we got our autograph. Jordan, Canada. And the green. I love me the greens. 3 greens. I don't remember, is that normal? Anyways, what do you guys think? I love it. I'm liking this box. Join us next time. We have more Prizm 2024s. We have more Monopolies. We're still trying to complete that second set. We have a special Throwback Thursday, like I said, that's gonna come up soon. Probably on a Thursday. But on a Thursday. But yeah, see y'all next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.